Hello everyone, welcome to my channel pccraftsplanet. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn an empty juice box into a beautiful flower vase. Previously, I have made this flower vase out of a juice box. In case if you haven't seen the tutorial yet, I will drop the link in the description box. If you are a new viewer to my channel, I would like to tell you my craft ideas are mostly based on recycling. I do wall decors, bottle art. Here you can see the glimpse of some of my work. I'll drop the link of all my bestseller vase projects in the description box. You can go through it. If you like my work, please consider subscribing my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to get the latest updates.
Here I'm taking a box of real juice. Instead of real juice box, you can also take milk box. Cut the side portions of the box first. And then cut it from the other sides and remove the upper part. Keep it aside. Now take some glue and add little amount of water in it. Mix it well. Here I am taking an old socks. Now soak the socks in the blue water mixture. Make sure you soak it well. Wrap the socks around the juice box. While wrapping the socks, keep in the mind the base of the juice box should not be having any frills. Otherwise, it won't be standing stable. Adjust the frills using your fingers. You can collect all the frills at the bottom or at the top, or just spread it all over the box exactly the way I have done. This is how my vase is looking like. Now keep it aside for drying. And this is how it is looking. Check whether socks is properly stiffened from all the places. If not, then apply extra glue on it. You can apply the glue only in the area where it needs to be more stiffer, or just apply all over. If you are using any another color socks, once the glue dry up, you can apply the black color on it, or you can apply any other color you wish. This is how my vase is looking after drying. If you wish, you can stop here. I want to give metallic look to my vase, so now I am applying metallic color on it. I am using metallic bronze here. Apply the color all over the place using brush. Now I'm taking little amount of color in my finger and highlighting some area to give it more real look. And here is the final look.
As this flower vase is made up of a juice box and a socks, so it is very light in weight, add some stones or anything heavy to make it more heavier and then put flowers in it. Let me know which look you like most, the black one or the metallic one.